Hey, welcome back to my another video. So in this video I am going to my nearest river, and before some video I also talk about that. And I'm walking on the field, and it is a little bit danger because there are a lot of grass behind me, and this field is not PPR for cultivating. I don't know why they are keep their field like this way. In Bangladesh, there are a lot of demand for different kind of things, especially for rice. In Bangladesh now every product price is very high, but if we cultivate properly, if we use every land, then we can at least reduce all product at least some price of. But however, I don't know. So we should cultivate this field as much as possible and produce the number of good amount of crops. So I am before the river, and I will show my surrounding. This is a non time but a sunny day, and I like sunny day, especially in the winter season. Very good weather, very good seasonal. And in our village there are some bridge, and beside me that's one of them you are seeing there. So it connects two village. One is this part, another a market, and this is called Shekharnagar. But beautiful. I want to show something. This bridge was constructed around 10 or 12 years ago. Before that, people usually used boat to going from one place to another place, or going from this village to that market. Before that place or village is a marketplace, and the most of the people around this village or Indian people use this market for demand or meet the necessary to buy different kind of product. But this bridge, after construction, it helps many people for going anytime. Like we don't need to wait for boat. And whenever we need, like at the midnight, we need some medicine, we need some emergency contact, emergency incident, we need to go. So we can go anytime, and bridge helps us too much, especially for economically. And you were seeing some place in Bangladesh, there are some systematically constructed for bathing. In our village also there are some 3 or 4. One of them is constructing beside my village, behind opposite that village, and it is constructing maybe 1 or 2 weeks, and it will be finish the work will be the next 12 2 weeks, I think. I can see the camera due to the high temperature, and even I can't see the sun properly. And today I am a little bit ill. For this reason I can't speak properly, and I have to speak slowly. But no problem, you have to practice and you can really fluently. Many people say how to speak in English, how can I be a how can I speak like a native speaker. There is no magic. You have to practice regularly, and you have to talk with different kind of people as much as possible. As how much you will practice, your fluency will becomes naturally. Fluency comes naturally. It's a natural things, but you have to practice, and you have to be concentrated on your practicing whatever you learn, like learning English. So if you practice regularly, you can see many things. Okay, this video I'm going to end up. I will not waste your time more, but if you know something, and if you have a benefited from this video, you can like or you can make your own comment, and I'll try to answer your questions if you have any questions. So see you next video, inshallah. Goodbye.